To find the best niches and subtopics for you to break through on YouTube and search, I'm going to show you how to use TubeBuddy in this tutorial to do that research and to really drill down into keywords that other people aren't necessarily covering but are getting YouTube search. Click the TubeBuddy tool up here on the top right, and we're going to use the Keyword Explorer. If you do not already have TubeBuddy, that's cool. You can still follow along in this tutorial by using the link in the description below to download and install TubeBuddy. It is free. TubeBuddy.com/Awall versus AWALLVS is my affiliate link. I get credit if you install, and there are paid versions with other features if you're interested. To niche down on YouTube, you can go ahead and start with a very popular topic that you are interested in. So I'm going to put in an extremely popular topic right now, Cyberpunk 2077 as an example. Enter yours as you follow along with me in this tutorial in the Keyword Explorer and hit Explore. So this extremely popular topic, Cyberpunk, as you can see down here at the bottom, the number of estimated monthly searches is over 7 million. That is insane. So that means that there's a lot of, as you can see on this bar, search volume. It has an excellent amount of search volume. That's good. There's a total size of the pie, if you will, that you can grab up through search that is very large. However, this particular topic has a very poor competition score. As you can see here, it's rated as poor because everybody's creating videos about this particular topic, which is going to make it very difficult for you to break through and search on the topic. That's why the overall score is poor despite the massive search volume. So what you're trying to do is go from that main topic, go into a subtopic, and then maybe even a subtopic to find that gray area, to find that thing that people are searching for on YouTube, but nobody's made a video about, or very few people have made a video about. And here's how you do it. Go over here to the video searches section, the tab right here. And then once you click this, it'll bring up all of the top related searches related to that main keyword. So you can go from the main topic down to a subtopic. So I'm just going to randomly click one. And what we want to take a look at as we move down to subtopics, we want to see if this overall score improves. From poor, we want it to go to good, maybe very good at some point. So character creator, Cyberpunk 2077 character creator, a subtopic of the main topic. Okay, as you can see, the score maybe is about the same for this one. So we're like, dang, we didn't really get a great score, but the competition on this topic, as you can see, is much better. It is very good as opposed to poor from before. But as you can see, the search volume isn't that great. Okay, so let's see if we can get an even better score by going from this subtopic to a subtopic and going down even deeper. So instead of just a character creator, we could do character creator hair. And it's like, you know, not only is it Cyberpunk 2077, but it's the character creator and it's specifically hair in the character creator. This is just an example of a subtopic. And as you can see, the score is now very good. So as a new YouTuber, as a small YouTuber, as somebody who's trying to break through on YouTube, this topic has a fair amount of search volume, but it has an excellent amount of competition. There's almost no competition for this particular topic. So it's likely that if you made a video about this particular topic, you would break through in the search results. But as you can imagine, the total search traffic and volume that you can get from this topic will be much smaller than the main topic, okay? So let me show you another cool thing about the TubeBuddy in this tutorial. Down here under recent searches down at the bottom, you can go back in time to the main search that you had or previous searches that you had to go back to maybe the main keyword. So I'm clicking Cyberpunk 2077 again. Now you can rinse and repeat the process until you find a subtopic under video searches, and then maybe even a subtopic under video searches that is a killer keyword for you to make a video about, and that will give you the best possible odds by the numbers of actually breaking through on YouTube search. 96% of my traffic on my channel is through YouTube search, and that's how I'm making 6 figures a year. Running my business and with affiliate revenue and all of the business models that I'm doing, it's all through search on my channel. I use this method every single day. Look, if you've got questions about it, just join me on Twitch. There's a link below to my Twitch. I go live every weekday in the afternoon, Eastern time. Link below. Just ask me any questions you have about YouTube search or growing your YouTube channel. I'm happy to just provide you free coaching right here on Twitch. Just join me and all the other creators that are there every single day, and we'll talk strategy, and I'm here to help you along this journey. I know it can seem complicated, but I'm here to help make it simple for you. Best of luck. Enjoy using TubeBuddy.